let's understand, let's talk about, there are the different players in the market, right? There's investors. Those could be value investors or growth investors. They could be active investors or passive investors. Then there are institutions, mutual funds, FIIs. There are traders, speculators, momentum investors. And so I've put a tick mark to all this, and they all have their place and they all have their style. Okay. And then there are tip seekers. And if you see the annotation at it, you see that there is a X. Basically, it is wrong. So what I want to say is that tip seekers is something which who are the ones who make all the other three happy, or the reasons for returns for all these three. Which so I think that is one of the things which I always advise, that please don't, if you don't understand the markets, it is better not to invest in direct investing, or you have somebody you trust and take advice from them. So we can talk a bit about all these players. Okay. So, and where we come in, and where the others come in, and so investor is somebody, a value investor is someone who would try to buy a company when it is sort of undiscovered, or it is available at very good valuation. And so basically lot of times it would be a contraband actually, or an undiscovered company, or something going through some bad cycle. So it can be any of these things. The value investor would buy this company and eventually would want that at a certain time, institutions, mutual funds, FIIs will want to buy into this company. So he might be selling to these guys, or there could be situation where it has come in fancy. Then that's when the next leg of traders will take it higher. Traders, speculators, momentum investors, 52-week high kind of investing, canceling, all of them. Everything has a place in the market, and every strategy is different. As long as you understand what you're doing, that's fine. So a value investor, for him, these are the people who he or she will sell their holdings to. So I've tried, over the years, I would basically exit early. Maybe when institutions get active, I will sell. But I think a lot of returns are made post that also, when the traders, speculators become active, and the highest returns would be when it is finally, if I can say in Hindi, टिप सीपर्स को टोपी पहनाई जाती है, तो ये सब इवेंचुअली टिप सीकर के पास आता है और वो उसको पकड़ के बैठता है at the highest point. I'm not trying to downgrade everyone, but this is what happens to a lot of people in the market, and that's why we say only 10% people in the industry make money and 90% lose, because this is exactly the reason that they are not aware of valuations at which they are buying. They are not aware of the business which they are buying, and they would just buy on some tip without understanding. So this is what. प्लीज
इसमें एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा, जितेंद्र भाई, मतलब मेरी आदत है, मैं बीच में बहुत बॉदर करता रहता हूँ, तो प्लीज आप
बोलिए. इट विल बी गुड, बिकॉज अगर कोई डाउट है इसमें तो बिल्कुल क्लियर किया जा सकता है. देयर कुड बी सम अदर पर्सपेक्टिव यू माइट ब्रिंग, सो दैट इज गुड. प्लीज गो अहेड.
या सो जैसे आपने प्रोसेस बताया कि इवेंचुअली वैल्यू इन्वेस्टर है जो कि स्टॉक को आइडेंटिफाई करता है, फिर उसके बाद इंस्टीट्यूशन को ही इवेंचुअली वो प्रेजेंट करता है स्टॉक को. तो क्या हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग इज लार्जली एट अ स्मॉल कैप और मिड कैप लेवल, और लार्ज कैप के अंदर में वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग होना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है?
Not necessary. I mean, for example, in our firm, we have few large caps also in the portfolio. Our basic whole theme is value investing. So ऐसा नहीं है कि large cap में value investing नहीं हो सकता है, but there could be large caps which are out of favor, facing temporary headwinds, where these people might not be interested, and where you as a value investor have patience, understand the business, तो आप बिल्कुल लार्ज कैप में भी ले सकते हैं। ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि it is small cap, mid cap, but yes, most of the opportunities over the last couple of years have been in the small cap and mid cap universe. We have seen the polarization in the market. Most of the large caps have been at very high valuations. So आपको अगर कुछ लेना है तो inevitably स्मॉल कैप मिड कैप सेगमेंट में ही आपको वैल्यू पे अवेलेबल था। ऐसा लास्ट 2-2.5 साल का डेटा बता रहा है।
Okay.
But it is not necessary. I mean, we are market cap agnostic. अगर हमको कोई लार्ज कैप अच्छे वैल्यू पे मिलेगा तो बिल्कुल हम लेते हैं। हम और हमने लिया भी है। That is not a issue at all.
Okay.
And that is not a hurdle. बस हमको ये है कि वैल्यू पे मिलना चाहिए। It should be at a reasonable valuation.
Okay, got it.